How many systems does it take to effectively communicate in a modern building or campus? It might seem like it only requires a couple. Maybe a system for digital signage and a system for overhead paging. Add in things like emergency communication for lockdowns, synchronized time, severe weather alerts, multimedia messaging, or bells or event notifications, and suddenly the list of systems grows quickly. The EverAlert system and in-cloud management portal from American Time do what those systems can't. Consolidate all that capability into a single set of hardware with a single management platform. No more choosing which medium can get the message across most effectively. No more training in multiple systems to keep all the bases covered. No more juggling different subscriptions, hardware, and maintenance requirements. One platform, all your communications needs. Everything about EverAlert is designed to scale to fit your facility, starting with the hardware. The dynamic display, which provides a 22-inch high-definition display with onboard EverAlert technology, is perfect for individual classrooms, office areas, or conference rooms. For larger spaces like break rooms, auditoriums, gymnasiums, or common areas, the dynamic view provides the same EverAlert technology to any large-format TV or display via HDMI. Most of the time, your EverAlert display will show synchronized time, the date, and the current temperature and weather conditions. You can also display general information such as a welcome message, hours of operation, or a location identifier like a room number. When there's more important or timely information to communicate, EverAlert's message system allows you to send instant messages that will override the default information, or to schedule priority messages well in advance, and to select which devices should receive the message, whether it's a single display or across your entire campus. To round out EverAlert's digital signage capabilities, there's Media Plus messaging. Media Plus makes it possible to show almost any sort of information on your EverAlert displays. Using the common MP4 file format means you can just as easily create graphic and video content with an intuitive program like PowerPoint as you can with a dedicated editing platform like Premiere Pro. It's simple to show high-definition images and video, like highlights from last week's football game or company picnic, recorded video announcements, or graphics such as menus or calendars. But replacing digital signage is just scratching the surface of what EverAlert can do. Do you need an audio paging system in your facility, or have an outdated system that needs to be replaced? EverAlert can connect with your IP phone system and be the solution. Whether through the onboard speakers in the dynamic display in an individual room, or the high-volume performance of the EverAlert speaker for an outdoor space, you can be sure your message will be heard. One of the main features of the in-cloud management portal is its powerful scheduling system, meaning you can also use EverAlert to replace your bell or signaling system. The schedule dashboard makes it easy to create variations on your bell or event schedule and to apply them to the calendar, up to 3 years into the future. Have a last-minute schedule change? With just a couple clicks, you can have your facility updated from anywhere at any time. Even when the unscheduled and unexpected happens, EverAlert has you covered. In addition to routine weather information, EverAlert receives watch and warning data directly from the National Weather Service, ensuring everyone in your building stays up to date if severe weather threatens. In the event of a lockdown, shelter-in-place, or evacuation emergency, EverAlert's capabilities are on full display. For facilities that don't have a panic button system in place, EverAlert can make it happen. With the simple addition of button hardware and the EverAlert integrator, you've now got a notification system that can be triggered from nearly any location. If you have an existing system with panic buttons, EverAlert can integrate with that, as well as with your fire panel or other building safety systems. Not only will your EverAlert displays show an eye-catching visible alarm, they can also provide customizable instructions on how to respond to the emergency. Alarms can also be accompanied by a pre-recorded custom audio file, anything from a high-volume buzzer or siren to a reassuring message from a respected figure within your organization.
This is Principal Allen speaking. The
All
National
of these
Weather
features,
Service has
synchronized time, weather information and alerts, digital messaging and signage, audio paging, bell scheduling, and emergency communication in a single platform. From routine communication to emergency messaging, When it's all brought together in one system, there won't be any confusion about where to look for information or which medium to use for which message. EverAlert makes things simpler for IT and maintenance by reducing systems, makes it easier to bring visitors or newcomers into your facility and ensure they're well informed, and makes sure your organization has the tools it needs today and in the future to communicate efficiently and effectively. Schedule your demonstration today to learn how EverAlert can benefit your school, business, or organization.